We live full-time in a motorhome on our rural 10-acre property. And if you can hear that noise, that's the crew that's building our barn dough. They need power. And so I actually, I have, I have lots of power available. It's just figuring out a way for them to access it. Now, I'd invested in these. That takes my 50 amp plug and turns it into two 30 amp. So if I have guests, they can plug their RVs in. Well, and so I had a couple of these adapters laying around, but I can get two cords. But they're wanting to plug in more. So I'd have to have some type of splitter that goes on that. Or better yet, how about just this tool that you're looking at? Check this out. These are actually have a breaker on them. They're protected circuits up to it doesn't say. But this is designed specifically to plug into our 50 amp. Stay right there. So we unplug that. Now we've got, oh, so I can move all their cords. So I've just double capacity versus doing the 30 amp wires. Now I have 4 110, 4 120 volt plugs, so they can run all their equipment now that we're plugged into that 50 amp. We're good. That's a great investment. I'm glad I have it, and I know you will too.